Hi folks, I'm Al Smith for Midwest Outdoors, fishing here in northwestern Ontario with my daughter, my wife, and our lucky dog Remy. Today we're going to be fishing for multi-species. We're trying for pike and muskie right now along this weed bed. Water temp's about 55 degrees, and Joni just caught a small pike and had a walleye hit her crankbait. So we're going to try to do this, and then after we get a pike, we're going to go and fish for bass and walleye. Just the right size to invite for lunch. Alley-oop. Okay. Now, he's not a big one. Folks will tease you about that, but he's about the perfect size for keeping for lunch. Yeah, folks, northwestern Ontario truly is a sportsman's paradise. Multi-species of fish, walleye, pike, bass, both smallmouth and largemouth bass, big jumbo perch, of course muskie, and in the right areas, right lakes, you'll find lakes just teeming with lake trout of all sizes, up to 40-pound lake trout, lots of lakes with small lake trout. And then for the hunters out there, well, we're getting to be kind of world-renowned for our white-tailed deer, but we also have plenty of moose, bear. Timber wolf hunting is allowed here because there's a very big wolf population. There's Woodland Caribou Provincial Park that's a real special place for canoeing, kayaking. Actually, there's not many motorized vehicles allowed in the park. Just a few outfitters that have got operations up in the park that have permits for motorized vehicles. So it's a canoeer and kayaker's paradise.
You are catching so many fish today.
And it's a nice bass. Good job, Joni. Would you like to hold it?
No, I'm okay.
Beautiful smallmouth. One of the prizes of northwestern Ontario. And here we go with another Northwest Ontario pike, I believe. And it's a big brute. With these little bass rods and little spinner baits, you got to have a lot of luck on your side. Ooh, there he's going for the deep. Come on, girl. My goodness, that's a large fish. I think it's pike. I still haven't determined if it's a pike or a muskie, but I think it's a pike. Good heavens. It is a very large muskie. I guess you could say northwestontario.com, eh? If you want to have fun like this. Beautiful fish. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Thank you, Joe Bucher, for that Slot Master spinnerbait. They always work for these nice fish. About a 45. So that'll make her about 25 pounds. Northwestern Ontario is where you want to be for fish like this. You can visit their website, northwestontario.com, or call their toll-free number. Yeah, access to Northwest Ontario's Sunset Country from the Midwest U.S. is very easy. There's lots of major airline flights to a couple of major cities, and then small connector aircraft right into the smaller communities. You can drive. There's numerous port of entries, border crossings throughout Sunset Country. The fun that you can have with a multi-species lake. If one fish isn't biting, you can go and try for another fish and just keep trying until you find fish that are active. folks, the clouds are moving in. It's getting to the end of the day. I'd like to say thanks for my wife, Joni Smith, my daughter, Karen Smith, and I'm Al Smith. And stay tuned for more Midwest Outdoors.